Good morning, folks. Um, yeah, I'm still kind of sick, but I have to eat something substantial or I will get really sick from antibiotics. So I am going to make some breakfast. So if you want to make breakfast with me, uh, what I'm going to do first is toast an English muffin in a frying pan. Um, I use a tad of real butter, just a tad. So yeah, the doctor put me on new antibiotic. Um, I feel I want to say almost the same, but maybe a little bit better. So yeah, I am toasting that. I'm just gonna crack an egg and have that with my coffee. Call it breakfast. And I think I'll throw some cheese on it too, right? Cheese makes everything taste better. It's gonna make me feel better. I like the English muffins grilled in the frying pan. Believe it or not, come out so good. So I haven't been posting a lot of videos, because haven't felt good at all. But I've been watching, and believe it or not, sometimes I don't even feel well enough to comment. But um, I've been watching all you guys, so know that I'm still supporting you the best way I can under these circumstances. So it's going to be cloudy, sunny, and cold next couple of days. More snow coming next Tuesday. They're saying 5 inches, so we'll see. But other than that, nothing else is going on. Just that I feel miserable. And I'm gonna go finish this up, and I'll go have some coffee with it. And if I feel up to it later on, I'll do another video. Alright guys, so I am having egg with English muffin and my coffee. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I'll catch you on my next video.